Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can apply 3D transformation to text using just CSS and HTML. So let's get started. So first I'll show you guys the output. I'll just refresh my screen and here you can see this is the 3D transform animation which I'm talking about. So yeah, let's get to see how to do this. Now I have created a project using Vite. In case if you don't know Vite, that's fine. You just need to create an HTML and CSS file, that's it. And here you can see inside my HTML file I'm referencing my CSS. That's the important step which you have to do. And here I have taken one h2 tag which has couple of spans, so here you can take whatever text you want, it's up to you. Then inside style.css, this is the important part. So here you can see for h2 I have set the margin, font size, font weight, text align, and I have set this perspective thing which is very important. Then I have defined keyframes called flip up. And here I have set the from and to animation, so I'm just transforming the X 90 degrees to 0 degrees. And here for our span, so displays inline block, transform origin 50-70%, and transform style is preserve 3D. Then for animation we are referencing our keyframe flip up of 1 second, and here I have applied this cubic Bezier animation. And here if you see now, for each and every child of our span, like from 2, I have added some margin right as well as some animation delay. Same for a third as well, fourth as well, fifth as well, and sixth as well. So yeah, that's it. That's all that's all you need to do this 3D transform. Thank you for watching. Bye.